This question is asking us to compare some back-to-back stem plots, but all it's doing is saying, can you support a contention based on the two medians? Which means we don't have to worry about the three ways we compare. Keep in mind the ways we compare are the shape, which includes outliers, the spread, which is both the range and the interquartile range, and finally the centers, and we're going to use medians for them. So what we need to do for this is compare the centers. Now, we know there are 13 countries because it has it written here, and these would be the years that we're comparing, 1970 and 2010. Now, if I just look at the data, I can see that my values for 1970 are generally below my values for 2010, but I need to actually support what I say using data. So if I have 13 points, then my median will be the point, there'll be 6 points on one side, 6 points on the other side, and the median in the middle. So therefore there's 6 plus 6 is 12 plus my 1 point's the 13th. My 7th point will be my median. So let's count up and work out our median. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's saying here, I need to double check that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's my 7th point, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7th point there. So now my median for 1970 is 67 by the looks of this, and my median for 2010 here is 76. Because there's a significant difference, that does support the contention. So I'm going to write something like this. So I've whipped up something here that says there is a significant difference between the median values for life expectancy in 1970 and 2010. So I've written that because I want to show that I have used medians, and it's important that the examiner sees that I've answered the question. They've asked in medians, and now here I've answered by using the word median here, and actually median a couple of other times as well. So there's a significant difference. In 1970, the median value was 67 years old. In 2010, the median value was 76 years old. I wanted to write years old to show as well that I understood the data, and that comes from this point here. Finally, I've answered the question, does this support the contention? I've said this supports the contention that life expectancy is increasing over time, and that's going to get a little gasp of air and some rapturous applause from the examiner. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe or like. Thanks.